How to log in into Nationwide Building Society online banking account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will learn how we can log in into Nationwide Building Society online banking account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So on your PC, open up your preferred browser, head towards the search bar and type in Nationwide Building Society. After that, from your search results, head towards the first link on your interface, that is www.nationwide.co.uk, and click on it. That's gonna take you to their official website. Now, in order to log in, navigate to top right corner. There is a login button. Click on it. Now, you'll be taken into login page. Here, this is the step 1 for your login process. So first of all, you have to enter your customer number. Customer number is a unique number that is given for every user from the banking. So it's like a username for when you log in. So enter your customer number provided by your bank. In case if you forget that, there is a link right here. Click on it, follow some on-screen instructions, and that's going to help you recover your number. After that, you have to provide your date of birth. So make sure to provide your correct date of birth that you have used while creating an account on Nationwide. Once you're done providing your customer number and date of birth, click on continue. And on the next step, you'll be asked to enter your password. Enter your correct password. There you'll have a login option. Click on login, and then you'll be logged into your Nationwide account or Nationwide online banking account. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.